From the documentary DNA is Not Destiny, three facts that I learned and found interesting were how much it has influenced social environments can change our epigenetic settings and lead to altering the way our genes work. It's surprising that epigenetic changes can influence not only cognitive function, but the self recognition of emotions and behavior, even the susceptibility to chronic diseases as we age. I found the experiments with the rats to be really fascinating and how their research with the rats really supported the theory of how our childhood environment can alter the way we cope with stress and anxiety as adolescents and adults. This information can help improve my nursing practice because it is useful information that I can use to educate my patients, especially expecting mothers and families, since I am interested in OB nursing. As nurses, it is our role to advocate and educate our patients on the importance of their health as well as their children's. I know I unfortunately won't be a superhero and I won't be able to have the capability of making sure every child I come in contact with is exposed to the ideal living situation, but I can educate expecting mothers and families about how the environment settings can affect children's epigenetics and inform them of what that means and how important it is to not let grown up stresses become a child's problem. Early environments can help or hinder children's success and well being in ways that go beyond the individual choices that we make as adults as their parents and they make for themselves as children. As a mother, I try and keep anything I might feel anxious or stressed out about away from my kids, but they are definitely able to sense that something's wrong and they begin to act out. So I do have experience with that. I found it really interesting that these outside stressors of my own could really have an effect on my children. I guess I really never thought about that before. Um, I think as a nurse, so I can provide as much resources to families to help them cope with stress and anxiety, as well as emphasizing the importance of healthy eating habits, particularly maybe even for families in lower socioeconomic classes, where those children are more likely to have chronic diseases.